how cold is not enough.
White Nike socks, I'm wearing black.
Also wearing Nike socks.
I'm seeing a Converse.
Why all of you wearing Nike socks?
Because Nike.
What the fuck?
Nike.
Adidas. Hell no.
Hi guys, so we cleared the Singapore and Malaysian customs. We are at B point now, taking a short toilet break, and then we'll carry on to our next location. We're going to the Founders Cafe. Yeah, then we wait for the rest of them to be back from the toilet. Then we'll carry on lah.
Yes.
Yeah, so hi guys, so an update, we arrived at the Founders Cafe, and now we are looking at the menu and we're going to be ordering our food.
About that, I'm getting hungry. They're taking too long to order food. I'm gay. I'm not gay too. Oh yeah, I'm having the problem. Alright, thank you.
Hi guys, we are now at our next location at Mid Valley Southkey Mall. So we'll be doing some shopping. So, yep, that's all. So we're done with Southkey Mall now. Now we'll be headed to grab something light for lunch because we had a heavy breakfast. See you later.
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it.
Okay, now we are at Paradigm Mall. We're gonna do some window shopping and then we're gonna have our dessert. Time check is 6:25.
Yes, now ladies and gentlemen.
Let's go!
Oh, let's go.
Ain't no stressing, just obsessing with sealing the deal. I'll take it in and let it go, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes.
So now we are at the Lost in JB, the haunted house escape room. But we are waiting for the 10:15 slot lah. So until then we'll be walking around here, probably explore the places or what lah.
99 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now.
We just finished our escape room, and we are heading to our next last activity of the day. How's the escape room?
Great. we found out who is the pussy.
Not me. So we have arrived at our next location, which is the final activity for today, which is go-kart. And we got Batman with us.
We got guns. Guns.
様喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプアランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうオリジナル VIP
Many diamonds dangling Bag full of money we strangling Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me All the above cause you can't get in I don't want no problem Because me professional Make you shake your cats Thank you Haters take it personal
Like a Canada type Let's all now talk Oh let's go not my money Let's all hot sun Shiki my awesome Let's go Let's go ぜひレギュラーラブから Let's go 21個じゃない2個入力するまた1個ピンポイント
I wonder if you know how let it be Tokyo If you seen it then you mean it then you know you have to go
Means it's not
不是肉啦。
说完了吗？
我没说话。
Hey guys, after our go-kart and we had some supper at Ah Piaw Wanton Mee, we are heading home finally. So yeah, I guess that's the end of the vlog. Bye.
So right now, Prav went to shit. Same goes for Russell. Both of them went to shit, and they're gonna be back like after a while. It's just now Michael shit already. Okay, so Michael, how's the toilet?
It's a very good shit. 10 out of 10 toilet. There was a air freshener, a bidet, toilet paper. It's a good toilet. Russell, how was your pee?
Great. I can pee easily.
It's good. There is sink and water and
Your abandonment issues.